Hey guys, welcome back. You might be knowing there's an OpenAI DevDay that is scheduled to start in about 2 hours, and there were certain leaks that came out during the weekend. So I've just compiled a brief idea of what you can expect, and the keynote is accessible to all, whether you have registered or not. In the description, I will attach the keynote if anyone is interested to take a look. So some things what they shared are at least the highlights of what's expected to come out is OpenAI could introduce a major update for developers, so making it cheaper and faster to build AI application. And there is also a talk of a team plan for GPT, which could offer unlimited high-speed GPT-4 for advanced data analysis and many more. And there was also a new UI that got leaked, which I have, and I also have another video of that leaked UI that was shared on Twitter. So I made a video on that, and I'll attach that if you are interested in looking it up. It's on YouTube too. So it's called Gizmo V8. It's a ChatGPT prototype that features a new model selector, customizable GPT, and a magic maker. So basically, when it comes to low cost for developer, what can you expect? So as what was shared, OpenAI will reveal substantial enhancement to its developer tools. So these improvements basically are aimed at making it more cost effective and efficient for developer to create applications using OpenAI models. So there is also an additional storage to the developer tools, which could reduce the cost of making applications by 20%. And this is beneficial for you, especially if you are an ecosystem partner, which is basically building startups that are building on top of GPT. You can find many if you Google it, and they would be the beneficiary from this. And it is also poised to introduce vision capabilities. It will empower application developers or startups to craft applications capable of describing of images. So that's basically what I wanted to cover in this one, and the potential create in entertainment, medicine, or any other sector. This might be useful for you. So let's move to flexible plan here. So ChatGPT was previously working on something called flexible team plan, where everything you have in ChatGPT plus you would also have unlimited high-speed GPT-4, unlimited advanced data analysis, 4x longer context that lets you work with larger material, internally shareable chat templates, and data is not used for training. And monthly plan would be $30 per month. You need at least 3 members to be in your team. You can add and remove users as needed. So as long as you have 3 users clubbing together for a ChatGPT plus, you can have this accessible to you. And an annual plan, if you enroll for it for $25, you get a 16% off. It's exactly the same as what was described, but you need to be enrolled for the annual plan. So that's basically this one. And the next one I wanted to talk about is this one might come out or might not come out. I'm not sure on this. Even the source says it's not maybe announced today, but it might not be out immediately. So basically it allows connectors will allow you to connect your application to access their information in ChatGPT, and you can attach Google Docs, Sheets, slides to your messages or add context to your conversation. And you can also attach Word, Excel, PowerPoint. It's like a Copilot. So if you have looked at the Copilot, basically Copilot uses Microsoft's own custom model built on top of GPT. Whereas this one, you would be able to use all the Microsoft applications and Google storage devices into your GPT ecosystem. That's basically what this would enable you to do. And there was also a talk of this is how it would look like. So if you click on connected apps, you would basically see Google Drive and Microsoft 365. So there is also a talk of Gizmo 8, which is the new prototype that resembles the ChatGPT iOS app, but it also has new features like a model selector, customizable GPT, a tool integrity like Magic Maker, speculated to utilize known as GPT-4 Magic Create. So, and apart from this, there is also, I'll show you the screenshot, like how the dashboard looks like, how you can utilize all this. This is the rumored new UI. This is how it looks like. And if you click on this, you should see the models, and you could also create this GPT model. And there's a video, I'll share it in the description, which basically describes how this looks like. So I hope this helps. Thank you for joining. And if you are interested in looking at the keynote will be available in description for GPT-4. Thank you for joining.